Good morning everyone. Today we will be doing exercise 10.3 question number 4 to 7. Now the first question that you have to do here is circle the lightest waste in each group. So as you can see here we have to check whether this is given the same unit or not. This is given in same unit or not. So what you have to do here is that firstly you have to check the units. Gram, 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 kg means kilogram, kilogram, gram. As you people already know that kilogram is bigger than gram. Okay, 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. So here, so we will not see as we have to find the lightest weight. So we will not look at kgs. Now we have to check the gram part. Gram is 250, 500 gram, 300 and 100. So 100 is less than 250, 500, 300 and gram also is there. You will not take kg. Kg is bigger than grams. B part I have given you homework. I hope that you people will be able to do this question. Here also gram and kg is given. So kg you will not see. You will look at the grams and then you have to circle. And this question also you will do in the book. Now Naina's mother is going to United States. She is allowed to carry luggage weighing up to 20 kg. Her bag already weighs 90 kilogram. A few things which different weights are still left to be packed. So there are different things given to her and it needs to be packed. Okay, she has already packed 90 kg, 19 kg and she has 20 minus 19 is equals to 1 kg. 20 minus 19 is equals to 1 kg is left. How much of the following weight should be left behind so that she can carry the maximum weight allowed? So how much of the weight should be left behind so that she can carry maximum weight? So we will see that how much weight. So firstly we can say that 800 and 200. If you add 800 plus 200 it means 1000 kg. So B and F she can pack. Then this A 150 will be left. Okay, this 400, 100 and 500 grams will be left. So we will add all this 150, 400, 100, 500. So when we add 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5 plus 5, 0 plus 5, 5, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So 1150 will be the answer. So 1150 gram will be left. So you can do this question also in your book. Okay. Then afterwards, let us come to this question. Grandmother is fond of making different types of pickle. Okay, your grandmother also like to make the pickle, right? Given below are the bottles in which she keeps a variety of pickles. Observe the weight of the each bottle and answer the following question. One is done for you. So you can see that this is mango pickle, that is of 1000 grams. This is lemon pickle, that is of 500 grams. This is carrot pickle, that is of 250. Pickle means achar. Carrot is of 250 grams and ginger is of 100 grams and chili is of 50 grams. Which pickle has maximum weight? What is its weight? Which pickle has maximum weight? Which one is having this 1000 grams, 500, 250, 100 or 50 gram? Which pickle is having maximum weight? That is 1000 gram. Okay, and he is asking which pickle, so it is mango. So we will write mango and how much? 1000 grams. Then we are having which pickle has minimum. Maximum means होता है सबसे ज़्यादा, minimum means सबसे कम. Okay, least. So सबसे कम is chili, that is 50 grams. Chili is 50 grams, सबसे least है. Okay, which pickle is half of the weight of the mango pickle? Mango pickle के half weight जो है वो कितना है? Which pickle? Let us minus this 1000 is given. Let us subtract 500 from 1000. 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 10 minus 5 is 5. So 500. So we are getting same answer here. So it means that lemon is having 500 gram weight. Na? So we will say which pickle has the maximum weight? Half of the weight. So 1000 minus 500. So lemon is having half of the weight of mango pickle. 1000 minus 500 is 500. We can say. Now which pickle is half of the weight of ginger pickle? Ginger pickle is of 100 grams. ओके सो 100 के बाद में लीस्ट वाला 50 है. सो 100 में से आप 50 माइनस कर दो. 100 माइनस 50 इज इक्वल्स टू 50. सो चिली इज हाफ ऑफ द जिंजर पिकल. नाउ यू हैव टू राइट विच पिकल इज हाफ ऑफ द वेट ऑफ द लेमन पिकल. लेमन पिकल के हाफ कौन सा वेट है? लेमन का 500 है. 500 से कम वाला 250 माइनस करके देख लो. 500 माइनस 250 व्हाट इज योर आंसर? देन यू कैन चेक. देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स यू कैन डू. Now the last question of this exercise is a watermelon weighing 3 kg is cut into 3 unequal pieces. 3 unequal pieces में cut किया गया है. What is the total weight of the 3 pieces of watermelon? देखो pieces करने में भी 3 kgs होते हैं, तो अगर किसी चीज़ को 3 kg की चीज़ को कट करोगे, सो इट विल रिमेन इक्वल, सो इट विल ऑल्सो बी इक्वल्स टू 3 kg. दैट्स वाई आई हैव ड्रॉन दिस. Now give reason for your answer. Draw pointers to show the weight of the machine. बेटा इसके अंदर what you have to do is you can draw this, like what is the total weight of the 3 pieces of watermelon. It will also be 3 kg, only 3 kg ही होगा. Okay, and give reason for your answer, because the weight will not get changed. Weight will not get changed when you are cutting the pieces. ठीक है, weight जो है change नहीं होता जब आप कट करते हो pieces को. और आपको पॉइंटर का बनाना है, तो मैंने इसको 3 पे ही बनाया. It will remain equal. It will remain equal, no problem. Okay, so it will remain equal. So this is the last question that we will be doing. I will be taking class here afterwards, and there will be no online classes for some time, online maths class. Okay, so there will be no math class afterwards for 2-3 days. Then afterwards when I will join, then only we will be able to, I will take your doubts if you will having doubts in these exercises. Okay students, I won't be able to pick your calls. Please don't call. Okay, bye bye.